maayong buntag na po. Sir.
Yes, Jiggy, good morning, Justin.
Uy, Justin.
Wow, there's so many runners
Asa
of
naman to si Kuya?
21K.
Nawala si Justin.
Actually, Jiggy, mukhang magiging siya ingong taga ng preparation po sa 42K.
Nawa ko na si Smart.
21K.
Nakuha naman. Oh, dara di ay. Kasabi ko on.
7-Eleven 2026 is their majority siguro ani.
Asa silang GRD ay?
21K. Okay, so 21K, this is your race route. From here, you go straight out at City Di Mare. As what Chigi said, always stay inside the traffic cones in going to Cube. Then from the Cube of
Dili ta
SM,
magdungan, ha?
right turn,
Okay,
you cross
Nakoy goal.
SRP, then going up to CSLX. Then your
Magdungan
turning
mo, ma'am.
point on the CSLX
Magdungan,
is
magduha.
after the toll gate. Toll gate, make a U-turn, then go